In this tutorial, we will go through the top 5 stocks for the month of February, their key financial indicators as well as the news from the financial market that led to this analysis. Hello friends, welcome to the new video on the Passive Income Academy channel. My name is Boris, welcome to my channel where you can expect weekly videos on passive income methods and making money online strategies. We'll talk about affiliate marketing, drop shipping, drop servicing, CPA marketing, cryptocurrencies, forex trading and investing in index funds and shares of companies. If this is the content you are interested in, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are soon introducing a membership option where you will have the opportunity to get access to our private stock portfolio, but more about it in the upcoming videos. Today we are talking about top 5 stocks to watch out in February. The first stock in the series is the stock of Bank of America. Stock ticker, i.e. the symbol on the stock exchange, is BAC. Bank of America Corporation is an American multinational investment bank and financial services holding company based in Charlotte, North Carolina. The bank was founded in San Francisco and it got its current form when the Nations Bank of Charlotte bought it in 1998. The current price of one share of this company is around $46. When we look at its highest and lowest value over a year, the minimum value was around $29 and the maximum around $50. What's important to emphasize is that this minimum value was just a year ago and that since then the company has been achieving constant growth when it comes to the value of its shares. In the last 12 months, they have generated revenues in the amount of $94 billion. And when we look at the balance sheet, we see that they currently have about $888 billion in their account. It's always interesting to look at the opinion of experts from tip ranks. Their conclusion is a moderate buy, which means that this stock should be on your watch list in the upcoming period. Their average price target for this stock is around $52. Bank of America is considered one of the largest financial institutions in the world. Two important pieces of information when it comes to this company are the increase in rates by the Federal Reserve of the United States and the high rate of inflation, because they lead to more people asking for help and borrowing money from the bank. Of course, no one will profit from the too high interest rates, but currently this situation is ideal for this company. When it comes to the balance sheet for Q4, Bank of America reported a record net profit of $32 billion. The other company we are talking about today is the company we already talked about, and that's Meta, or better known to everyone as the old Facebook. The current price of one share of this company is around $237. When we look at its highest and lowest value over a year, the minimum value was around $235 and the maximum around $384. This is literally a no-brainer. We all know that the value of Meta share will rise to over 300 in the next year, and this is a great opportunity to get a Meta share at such a good price. When we look at the balance sheet, we see that they currently have about 55 billion in the account. According to Yahoo Finance, the company is currently undervalued, and that is why my advice to you is to buy this stock with dollar cost averaging, and you will certainly not lose money. All tech companies have dropped drastically, and we talked on this channel several times about how to recognize a great offer, and this is exactly one of them. In a couple of months, we will return to this moment and look at the value of one stock and comment on whether someone listened to me or not. When we look at the opinion of tip ranks experts, we see that it's a moderate buy, with over 40 of them giving their opinion. Their price target is around $330, which is 40% more than the current value. As for the important news when it comes to this company, its CEO Mark Zuckerberg announced that Meta is constructing the fastest AI supercomputer. Although we don't know the outcome of this project yet, such a claim to be made by CEO of Meta is no small thing. The target went public yesterday with a report of Q4. The target went public yesterday with a report for Q4 where it can be seen that despite everything they generated increased revenues compared to the previous year. Given all that The company went public yesterday with a report of Q4 where it can be seen that despite everything, they generated increased revenues compared to the previous year. Given all that has been said, I will definitely step up Meta's stock in my portfolio. The next stock is the stock of Bristol Myers Squibb, stock ticker BMI. Bristol Myers Squibb is an American multinational pharmaceutical company based in New York. BMS is one of the world's largest pharmaceutical companies and is constantly on the Fortune 500 list of the largest American corporations. The current price of one share for this company is around $64. When we look at its highest and lowest value over a year, the minimum value was around $53 and the maximum around 70. When we look at the balance sheet, we see that they currently have about $16 billion in the account. When we look at the expert opinion from Tip Ranks, we see that it's a moderate buy. Their price target is around $66. The important news for this company is that they are currently developing a drug for the treatment of blood, for which they almost got the first positive results. They believe that by the end of 2029, this drug will bring them about $4 billion in revenue. What is also good about this company is that it enters into partnership agreements, and one of the last partnership agreement worth $150 million. They invested $150 million in finding a cure for cancer. The fourth stock for today is the stock of Charles Schwab, stock ticker SCHW. Charles Schwab Corporation is an American multinational financial services company. It offers banking, commercial, investment, and related services, including consulting and asset management advisory services to both physical and institutional clients. The current price of one share of this company is around $89. When we look at its highest and lowest value over a year, the minimum value was around $54 and the maximum around $95. And when we look at the balance sheet, we see that they currently have about 77 billion in the account. When we look at the expert opinion from Tip Ranks, we see it's a strong buy. Their price target is around $132. This is one of the leading brokerage companies in America. If you're looking for a long term to put your money, then this may be the ideal company for you. Given the before mentioned upcoming higher rates, this company will definitely have benefit from it. The last stock for today is the stock of the company Lemonade. No, it's not a lemonade drink, it's an insurance company. This company offers a wide range of insurance such as real estate insurance, vehicles, cars, and all the way to your pets. The current price of one share of this company is around $28. When we look at its maximum and minimum value over a period of 1 year, the minimum value was around $25 and the maximum around $171. When we look at the graph in the last year, we will see that their current value has dropped drastically, and this is a riskier stock, but as you will see, they're introducing some new and interesting things that will help them restore the value of their stock to its original level. They currently have about $427 million in their account. As we said, this is a riskier stock, and that is why experts from Tip Ranks advise hold. But it's definitely a stock that should be on your watch list. What's important to say for this company is that it's AI based, and that is why its decisions and the process themselves are made in a few minutes, which is very important to clients and customers. The company is more oriented towards the younger population and still has a lot of room for improvement. When we look at all the facts, I think this company is worth the risk-reward investment. The stock market is a high-risk market and not everyone has the capital to start. Broker Freedom 24 provided you with free shares worth up to $1,000. All you have to do is sign up using the first link in the description and claim your stock. You can sell it and raise money, or save it for later sale, or simply sell it and continue to build your portfolio. Another important announcement is that for all people who want to be more serious about investing in stocks and indexes, we'll soon create a private Discord group where you will have the opportunity to get detailed information and take a share of our private portfolio of stocks and indexes in which I invest and much more. But all about this in the upcoming videos. That would be all for this amazing video. In the upcoming videos, we will talk about new different ways and strategies to make money online working from your home. Thanks everyone who watched this video. This is the beginning of an interesting and exciting adventure. If you want to be a part of it, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and smash the like button, because that way we will reach more people and help the YouTube algorithm to rank our video. Also make sure to turn on the notification bell because that way I can send you a notification every time I upload a brand new awesome strategy like this one so you won't miss out. Make sure to follow us on Instagram because once we reach 1000 followers, I will be giving away $100 PayPal giveaway money. Until the next video, big greetings from our YouTube channel. Cheers!